Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a Philips headlamp, and it says 2 modes, 200 minutes it'll last, and I don't know what 1M is, but let's go ahead and check this thing out. Sorry, we have, box is empty, but I have the instructions here, and then here is the box, and it comes with, on the back side is the charger. It looks like it's gonna charge from USB to USB-C. We have our head strap, and we have our lamp. So it's nice and light, which is good, because I had one of these that was so heavy and it was just not good. But this will be good for camping. This will be good for like when I'm working on the car, trying to get under stuff. I do a lot of things like under the hood or under the dashboard. And my problem is it's always giving me grief. But let's go ahead and put the strap on here. It looks like it's just gonna go under and over. There, so now we have a strap on it. And I can loosen it up. My head is probably bigger than that. My head's about that size. There we go. Okay, and it's a nice strap. It's good. It's stretchy, but it's not, doesn't hurt, so that's good. And then it looks like this here is kind of, you can aim it up and down. It looks like there's the top. The bottom of it here has the little part where you can open it up and put that in there. It looks like it's going to be fairly waterproof because it's got that in there. And then on the other side here we have the power, and then it looks like the mode button. So if I do power, let's see, did it come charged? Probably not. Okay, so I'm gonna charge it up and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, I got it charged up and it goes on here. I just wanna show you, you can use it even with glasses, even though those are just blue-eyed blacker glasses, but you can push the button and look how bright that is. And then it's got a little bit dimmer, and off. How cool is that? And then this other button here makes it flash if we wanted to do some other stuff. So, cool. That's interesting. Cool setup, but I like it. So let me push this button here and turn it off. Very cool. Thumbs up.